Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your Master of Ceremonies.
Alright, so isang magandang hapon po muli sa ating lahat. Once again, good afternoon everyone! Hi, Universal Law. Once again, to each and every one of our guests na nandito po ngayong hapon ito, most especially to our principal sponsors, the parents, to all our family members and the relatives na nandito, kaubuan, syempre once again, everybody, welcome and good afternoon. And syempre naman, before we officially begin our special program for this afternoon, ay nais ko muna po sana makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga bisita right now. And at the same time, I would also like to check your vibe and your energy. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba akong makarinig po muna mula po sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan siya! Ayan. Of course, ganyan na ganyan po dapat ang hinihingi ko sa inyong energy maya-maya. And at the same time, that's the exact vibe and the spirit that we're looking for this afternoon, because this special day is also a time to celebrate, rejoice, and also be united all together, because we are all gathered here right now to witness and now to celebrate the wedding reception of our newlyweds this afternoon. And once again, magandang araw po muli sa ating lahat, and welcome aboard here at the Cassie's Restaurant dito po sa Malolos, Bulacan. And once again, here, ladies and gents, we are about to witness the main highlight of our program this afternoon, which is the wedding reception of Mr. and Mrs. Agoncillo. Yes, and I know for a fact over here that everybody are all excited to see them up close and even personal. Pero before we proceed sa tinatawag nga naman natin exciting part na yan, or the most anticipating highlight of that program, please allow me first and foremost po muna to formally acknowledge and introduce to all of you the sets of our principal sponsors, or ang ating mga ninong at ninang na nandito. Okay, so ganito po ang gagawin po si Panina ng very light para marinig po nila. Ganito po ang gagawin natin sa mga ninong-ninang na nandito, maging sa mga magulang ng bagong kasal natin. Tatawagin ko po ang bawat isa ninyong pangalan one by one. At wala na kayong gagawin po, basta po ang pagdinadig yung pangalan, kayo lang po kayo sa inyong kinaupuan, harap sa mga bisita, kaway na parang mga sikat na artista, kandidato, or isang heartthrob or napakaganda beauty queen, whatever you wanna call it. Okay, do your iconic pose para mapicturean tayo. Okay, ganun lang po. Ganun din para sa mga magulang. Okay, so wala na pa topic-topic pa. Hayaan niyo po akong maipakilala muna sa inyo ang grupo na ating mga ninong. Okay, first up, syempre naman sa ating ninong. Umpisa natin with ninong Mr. Domingo Tambalake. Baka naman natin din. Okay, thank you, ninong. Gusto ko yung iba open heart siya. Okay, good afternoon, sister. Thank you. Next in line for our principal sponsor is Mr. Romel Agoncillo. Okay, thank you so much, Ninang. Good afternoon. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Our next Ninang, and he is gonna be then Mr. Eric Agoncillo. And last, but definitely not the least, to complete our ninong this afternoon, let's give it up to Ninong Mr. John Torres! There you go, diba guys? Hindi na makapag yung mga ninong natin, palakpakan naman natin sila. Thank you so much for your energy, love it. And wait! There's more. Dahil of course, kung hindi nagpakapag yung mga ninong natin, hindi magpapatalo mga ninang natin this time, mga nagpapabuhang ninong to ating mga nagagandahang mga ninang. So please allow me to introduce them to you one by one. Starting off with Ninang and Tessie Dela Cruz. Wow! Ninang, napakaganda. Panggapak. Okay? Next in line will be Ninang and Mrs. Ruth Agasillo. Ruth Agasillo. Okay, tuloy-tuloy tayo with Mrs. Liberty Rivera. And of course, last but not the least, palakpakan naman natin, Mrs. Rhea Santiago! Wow! Diba? Palakpakan naman natin ang ating napakagaganda at napakapagbuhabong principal sponsors natin. Ulit natin yun. And teka lang, kala niyo ba na natatapos yan? Hindi pa, because I'll still be introducing and acknowledging with you another two group of our parents and our secondary. Umpisa ko muna with the parents of our UNOS. Same routine, tayo po together, kaway sa bandang people, and then, syempre, smile and pose. Okay? To begin with the parents of our UNOS, umpisa natin agad-agad sa mga magulang ng ating group. Let's give it up to Mr. and Mrs. Paul John and Monica Agoncillo! Wow, very good idea. Thank you so much. And of course, eto naman. Up next naman po is none other than as you know to the parents of our bride. Palakpakan naman natin po sina Mr. and Mrs. Albert and Emily Valio. Eh, palakpakan naman natin. Para lang siyempre pinahawak ang bingo, pero may purpose. Palakpakan naman natin. Ang magagaling ng mga umasa. I love it. Palakpakan naman natin once again. The set of your principal sponsors. Kasama ang mga magulang na ating bagong kasal. Palakpakan naman natin po sila. Napakagagaling. Wala pa tayo sa pinaka-climax na pero ganyan na sila pagana, diba? Okay. And eto na nga, wait, there's more. Because of course, right after our principal sponsors and the parents, it is now time that we are now going to welcome on stage the second group. We are about to proceed and sila po ay walang iba, kundi ang ating mga secondary sponsors or ang ating mga abay. And eto na nga, dahil naniniwala nga po tayo lagi sa kasabihan, ladies first. Siyempre naman, let us now welcome the grand engines of your team, Rise! Wow! Hey! Siyempre na surprise sila eh. Come on, keep right! Hey! Oh. Sige! Okay. 4 counts lang kayo. Okay. Dito na lang kayo sa gilid. Wait lang. Okay. 4 counts lang pala. Okay. Sige. Galing naman ang team right natin. Wait lang! Okay. Hindi pa tayo tapos kasi team right. Eto na nga. Ang humahamon! Yes, meron. Humahamon! This is ating team bride. Walang iba! Pwede! Ang iyong team! Go! Pasok! Let's go! Hey! Ayan na. Meron nilang pasama! Let's go! Let's go! Umalik ka ba? Teka lang. ano? Oh, bitin mo, sir. Bitin mo, sabi ni Ninong. Ano? Do you know how ang beat? You know how ang beat? Girls, do you know? Is it okay if we see a showdown? Ani kayo? Dahil nabitin ang audience, patingin ako ng hawak ang beat. Hawak ang beat is just holding like this and then point, okay? Mas pa-oras na niya nga. Okay, para kung sabay kayo, masama yan. At showdown, di ba? What do you mean like showdown? Like two groups are showing. Para lang kayo mag-ano, weekly to contest na katuwaan lang. Okay, anyway, eto ha, dahil nabitin ng audience natin, of course, you had to insist that public demand ang bibigyan natin sila. So there's their version of how a coffee. Let's go to your Team Pride and Team Girl Bossy Day. Ayan na! The point! Very good! Very good! Palakpakan naman natin! O, diba? You see the difference? Okay, palakpakan naman natin. Sige ba, you may now take a seat. Woo! That's a very high and exciting, diba? Galing-galing naman ang ating mga bisita ngayong araw. Pero wait! Eto na nga! Yes! Okay lang yan. Okay, eto na nga! Yun as our guest ngayon dito. Ay, sorry. Oh, pasensya na po. Ayan. Di talaga maitago ang kasiyahan at documentation. It's normal. Hayaan na po natin. Pero anyway, I believe that it is now time that we are now going to proceed with one of the main highlights of our program tonight or this afternoon, which is the grand answer to breaking news. Pero bago yan, Boss DJ Painan, maraming salamat. We would like to request everybody to please rise. Magsipagtayo na po tayong lahat po. Saglit na ka. Ayan. Everybody, akala niyo po ba abay lang po sa sayaw? Joke lang. Hindi naman kayo sasayaw, pero may papagawa lang ako po sa inyong lahat. As in, lahat po tayo, okay? So, para po sa ating bagong kasal, pagsalubong lang, okay? Pakicheck po muna ang inyong mga mesa. Yes, pakicheck po. Sige po, check your tables po around you. May makikita po kayo dyan na kulay puti na napkin, panyo, handkerchief, or like something na color white across. Ayan. Alam na nung iba yung gagawin, okay? Wala naman ng dance step, pero ang hihilingin lang natin sa inyo ay i-request lang po natin sa lahat ng mga bisita natin. Okay, mamaya pa natin gagamitin yan pang muna supervise during dinner. But for this point in time, gagamitin po natin yan pagsalubong sa ating bagong kasal. Okay? Once I call the name of our couple, at papasok sila dito sa ating stage, itataas nyo lang ang inyong mga kamay. Kasama kanyo, huwag kayong wine ng pagkalakas-lakas like that. And, hindi lang po ganyan ang gagawin. Sasabay na po natin ng isang pangmalakasang sigaw or cheer to welcome our couple. Okay? Para lang sa lahat, ibigay na po natin ang pinakamalakas at pinakamataas sa level ng energy natin at saya for our newlyweds because I know they deserve it. Okay? Bigay na natin yung parang hindi tayo nalolobat at napapagod para madama nila ang inyong support at pagmamahal. Okay? Speaking of energy, isang mabilis lang pong tanong ang itatanong ko sa inyo. Napakadali lamang po, sagot lang tayo ng yes or no. Okay? Tingnan natin. Positive, pahinan lang para madinig natin ang ating mga bisita. Here we go! Ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Parang ready naman, pero nakakatamlay. Sabi ko, energy! Where is it? Kita to, natin, tondo pa. Times 3 kung kailangan na para matama natin. Okay, take two. Kaya nga tinesting ko muna. Okay, take two. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? You see the difference? Diba ganyan? Okay, mukhang kantang-kanta na lahat. So, I think we're all set. Harap na po tayo sa main entrance and I believe everybody's excited and prepared for this. So, I believe let's now proceed and Ito na nga. I believe we're all set to that's why brace them so on and get ready. Because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only newlyweds or couple today, or should they say, ang ating bagong kasal sa araw na ito. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome on stage your Mr. and Mrs. John and Ali Agoncillo! Okay, everybody, please remain standing. Wala mo na pong umupo. Please wait for red go signal. If you're about to take a seat,